Hey Rubies, welcome back. It's your girl Alan. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. I'm happy to have you back. Today, I'll be reacting to Stray Kids' comeback. Yeah, their comeback. I cannot read that title in Korean, and they don't have an English title, but I did react to their the Thunderous trailer, for the album Noisy comeback, and yeah, I am not new to Stray Kids. If this is your first time watching me, I mentioned in my last Stray Kids video that I did, I watched their survival show of sorts. Oh my goodness. Survival show of sorts back in, was it 2016? It's either 2015 or 2016, something like that. So I have seen how they were formed and everything. Oh my goodness. Do I have a favorite song? I don't know if I have a favorite song from Stray Kids. They have a lot of bangers, man. But yeah, as for biases, I guess Chan. If I had to count one, I guess Chan would be bias in mine, but I don't think I can call myself a stay necessarily, because I'm not that deep in the, although I know all the members and all that. I'm familiar with their discography. I'm not deep embroiled into Stray Kids like that, but yeah, my links will be down in the description. I'll definitely link the last video I did in the description box. Note to myself, please, editing me, please actually put it in in the description box or in the comment. If not, it's probably already shown up like here or something like that. Yeah, on a little card. But yeah, without further ado, as I'm looking at it, it's number 16 on trending. Looking at the concept for this, it all seemed a bit silly, but it seems like it's going to be a fun time. I'm expecting something along the lines of how God's Menu was and how maybe Backdoor was. But it seemed like they were going back to that sort of a dystopian feel that Miro had, that whole era had. That was the feeling I was getting from the trailer and the whole concept. But yeah, I won't sit too much longer. Here is Stray Kids. And play. No, animation neuter. It already sounds epic. Oh, Changbin. Sungmin has a lovely voice. Okay, leader. This mixture of modern and nice. Interesting. These extensions on Felix. I was wondering what that is in Hunjin's hair. This mixture of modern and the ancient, this is like the ancient remix of what God's Menu was, to me at least. Because again, it's not. Nice. Not them just strolling. It's heavy, but not in the way that God's menu was. They're making use of those horns and those instrumentals though very well. The hat, is that Chungdin's signature? I guess I only say that. I think it's the third time we've seen that hat more than once, or a hat like that. Oh, that's cool. Is that all she wrote? Dang, that's all she wrote. That was fast. Okay, Stray Kids. Stray Kids everywhere, all around the week. Stray Kids today. Dang, that's all she wrote. That was fast. Okay. Okay, Stray Kids. Yeah, it's from their second full album. Huh, okay. Oh, yeah, Lino did have lines. He had a lot of screen time this time around. There's a lot going on in the music video though visually. If I had to line it up from the last comeback to this one, I think God's Menu would still have the head followed by Back Door and then maybe this one. But this one might take a listen by itself without the visuals for me to But I like that. That was cool. I wasn't expecting that fusion that they did with the modern and the ancient from that trailer, because they had this movie-esque trailer for this comeback. Seemed like, but no, they went the completely other route with the music video, and that was cool. Makes me wonder what, because I did not watch the highlights they did for the album, though I might now, because I wonder what this album's gonna sound like. And I saw there were videos attached to it, and it looks like they have certain units doing certain songs together from the things I saw. But yeah, let me know if you guys want that. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like talking to you guys in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.